Hey, you've also know YouTube. This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode. We got another unboxing trimmer here, and nothing but a Kemei KM 700A. You know, people keep talking about Kemei 1971, but I don't know. I just say let me try this one out. So let's do the unboxing. So the Kemei 700A got 1200 milliamp, 2.5 hour charging, and 300 minutes use. 3.7 volt and 10 watts. It's because of this I bought it. Because of this 10 watts. It's always the same thing. So let's keep this aside. The usual stuff. Manual, cable, and it's not USB Type-C. This is to prevent hair not to go in too much, you know. The guards, brush, and oil. And get on to the main something. Yeah. Looks beautiful. I hope it's also cutting good, you know, it's good. I hope so. I would have preferred USB Type-C or micro USB, you know. 10 watts. It's because of this 10 watts I bought it. It doesn't look sharp. And I like that the power button is up here, not down here. Up here, it's really practical. Yeah, we can zero gap it. We should turn it on. This thing vibrating, bro. It's really vibrating. Wait. Somehow the main issue, it's because this top blade is too thick. I hope the cutting blade is good. Well, let's try. It's not sharp at all. Not sharp. It's not sharp at all. Got power. Oh, this one is sharp. Like I said, this one is not sharp. I got a 1 minute blade modifier that I bought from eBay. Oil. This side, so just put it in.